So today we're going to work on the atoms and the number of compounds. As we know, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd is the molecules in 1 mole if we are talking about formula units, molecules, compounds. So that's only one conversion. We have 2 moles of sulfuric acid and we have molecules to moles, but then we still have to go from moles to atoms. So there's 2 parts to this. And again, we have to figure out what our chemical formula is. Ic equals 8, so that's sulfate. Sulfate is with an acid, so it's crossed with hydrogen. Hydrogen's plus 1, sulfate SO4 minus 2. So sulfuric acid is H2SO4. H2SO4 has 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur, because that's implied, and 4 atoms of oxygen. So it has 4, 5, 6, 7 atoms per 1 molecule of H2SO4. So now I have 2 conversions. So just like dimensional analysis, I write what I know, 2 moles, H2SO4. Remember to write that name in there. Fraction bar, I have moles on the top, so I have to start with this conversion. Moles goes on the bottom. 1 mole of H2SO4 is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. And I abbreviate that MOLEC, but you can abbreviate it any way you want as long as it's not M or MOL or MOLE, or else it's going to get confused with moles. And then my second conversion, because this one cancels off the moles, is I have to get from molecules to atoms, because that's our goal, that's our pathway. What do we know? 7 atoms for 1 molecule. So molecule goes on the bottom because it's on the top. 7 atoms is what our goal is. Molecules cancel. And then we multiply across the top. 2 times 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd times 7 to get our answer. So when I plug that into the calculator, I get 8.4308 times 10 to the 24th. It's already in scientific notation for me from the calculator, but I do have to remember about sig figs. I actually started with 2 moles, so that's only 1 sig fig. So 8 times 10 to the 24th atoms in H2SO4.